When you see us in front of Current Superior Court, it's usually so-and-so was accused of X crime, but this story's a bit different. I'm Sam Hoyle, your neighborhood reporter. Members of the Cal State Bakersfield pre-law program, local attorneys, Current Superior Court members, and many more will be on hand to help Kern County residents get their criminal records expunged through a free clinic.
As I look back 35 years ago, I'm still trying to remember back how I got myself in that position.
Eric Huggins Sr. spent several years in jail for drug-related offenses, and as a result, he says his present was affected by his past, despite turning his life around for the better.
Just a bunch of little minor stuff that just added up. I had a couple of felonies. Not proud of it, but it happened. It doesn't reflect of who I am today. And that's one thing about this expungement. It keeps me from being reminded of my past. Because when I fill out an application and I'm going through a background check, it's good to know that this is not going to be haunting me once again for something I've done over 30 years ago.
Kern County criminal defense attorney David A. Torres is one of the lawyers who will be taking part in the clinic. From his perspective, having a criminal record expunged gives those who've gone through the rehabilitation process a chance to better their lives.
What we're trying to do is breathe new life into our community, give individuals who otherwise would not have this opportunity, the opportunity to clean their record, to completely seal and destroy their record so that they can go in and attempt to better their lives, better their family, and clean the record at the same time.
Over the last two clinics, Torres says they've been able to help hundreds of Kern residents get that second chance, exceeding expectations of how many would take advantage of the service. So now the clinic will hold a pre-clinic on April 4th, starting at 9 a.m. to help streamline the process. To be eligible for the clinic, participants need to have a valid ID, their Kern County case number, and have all fines paid in advance. However, no federal or juvenile cases will be considered. Torres also noted that those seeking expungement need to have been out of prison for at least 2 years and not been convicted of charges including sex offender registration. For Huggins, the hope is that people take advantage of the clinic to better their lives.
I hope for them to have that opportunity to be able to fill out a state job application or a job that requires a background check, and they're not defined by who they were in the past, but defined by who they are in the present.
That pre-clinic starts at 9 a.m. on April 4th. The clinic happening on May 9th. To learn how to register, we'll have that information in this story on our website. In Bakersfield, I'm Sam Hoyle, your neighborhood reporter.